Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I hope everybody is doing okay. You see what's on the screen. We are going to be making wings. This is my first time making a saucy wing. I cannot wait to do this video. So right here, you see me sprinkling some salt. That's going to help draw out the moisture in these beautiful wings. I'm also squirting it down with some olive oil just so my seasonings can adhere to the chicken. We got some paprika going on, and you got to have that paprika for the color. We got some good old onion powder that we finna add to the mix. And then we're gonna add some black pepper to the family. We're gonna add some adobo seasoning. I love adobo seasoning. If you haven't had it, please try it. You gotta have some roasted garlic. So we got some little flavor going on these chickens. And I'm adding a glove because I don't want to mess up my hands. So it's better to just rub all the seasonings and the oil in with my gloved hand. So I'm using my electric skillet today. I'm adding my chicken wings skin side down. I'm going to let them cook 7 minutes per side for 10 minutes each side. And then at a certain point, I'm going to add some butter because I want as much browning as I can. That's probably about 6 tablespoons of butter. We got 4 pounds of chicken wings. I'm also going to add some honey. This is just a simple sauce. So these are going to be honey lemon pepper wings. And so I'm adding about a quarter of this jar, and then I'm gonna add in my lemon pepper. You can do it however you want. This is just the method that I'm using today, and I'm using quite a bit of lemon pepper because I do want the flavor to come through. And then I'm gonna put my lid in. I'm gonna put my lid on. Now I cook my wings. I let them sear for about 15 minutes. And then once I put my sauce on, I put the lid on to let them simmer for about 20 minutes because I really wanted that sauce to thicken and to cover those wings. I wanted them to brown and just be beautiful like what they are looking like right now. Oh my gosh. Y'all, and I got my plate ready. I got my favorite plate to use on the channel. We finna try a couple of these wings. I'm gonna split these with my mom today. I cannot make wings without taking my mom some. Her and I both love wings, and y'all look at the finished product. I know this video does not do it any justice, but y'all, the golden color of these wings, that honey, that lemon pepper was the bomb. Now it's time to taste these babies, okay? I got a flat and I got a drumstick, y'all. What's your favorite, the flat or the drumstick? I'm a flat girl, and I know my mom is a flat girl too. So I decided to take 2 of the drumsticks out and try to give her most of the flats. But y'all, look how easy that meat coming off those, the bone. Look at it. Y'all, it's not tough. It's not dry. It's not rubbery. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this chicken was so good. I think y'all should try this skillet method. It's just like the oven, but quicker. Do you see how clean that meat is coming off them bones? Y'all, look at that thumbs up. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all this skillet method for wings. This is my first time doing this kind of video for wings, and I wanted to show you how I wanted to do it. That the stickiness from the honey, oh my gosh, it's just so good. It's not overbearing, it's not salty, it is just the bomb. And y'all don't see me doing it, but y'all, I'm cleaning them bones off of camera because I didn't want to be ghetto. And but I did clean my bones because this sauce was banging. I really appreciate y'all joining the channel and subscribing. Thank you. Have a good day.